Good day, master students. The next lecture, which I am going to dedicate you, planning and supervising research work of master students. And the plan of the lecture, the first task questions which we are going to discuss with you, understanding the role of research in master's programs. The second is principles of planning scientific research. The third, stages of supervising a master thesis. The fourth, methodological guidance and feedback strategies. The fifth, ethics, academic integrity, and the anti-plagiarism requirements. The sixth, effective communication between supervisor and student. And the seventh, evaluation and defense preparation. These are the questions which we discussed in today's lecture. And the first question is understanding the role of research. Scientific research is a central element of master's level education. It allows students to engage deeply with academic inquiry and develop the ability to solve complex problems using systematic analysis. Supervisors play a crucial role in guiding this process and helping students to transform a broad interest into a rigorous and a meaningful study. The second thing that we are going to discuss, planning scientific research. Effective planning begins with defining a topic that is relevant, feasible, and aligned with the student's academic trajectory. The supervisor ensures that the problem statement is clear and the research questions are precise. A structured plan with specific deadlines helps keep the project on track. The second is supervising thesis stages. Supervision requires balancing autonomy with support. At the early stages, the supervisor helps the student map the theoretical landscape, choose methods, and design the study. As the research progresses, the supervisor evaluates drafts, provides correction, and ensures that academic standards are met. The next task which we are going to discuss with you, methodological and writing support. Of course, how should we write and what should we take into consideration, mostly concerns with the writing support. Students often struggle with academics writing and methodology. Supervisors guide them in selecting research instruments, interpreting findings, and presenting results coherently. Feedback should be time specific and oriented toward the student's growth. Ethics and integrity. A supervisor must ensure that the research adheres to ethical standards. This includes teaching proper citation practices, monitoring originality, and emphasizing honest data collection. Academic integrity is essential for producing trustworthy scientific work. Okay, now what kind of communication and relationship should be in the management system of writing the research paper? And it's clear and respectful communication creates a productive research environment. Supervisors should encourage open dialogue, address challenges early, and help students maintain motivation throughout the process. I think that the supervisor's role in writing the research paper is crucial because the supervisor leads the researcher to write the theses, and the supervisor also should invite the master or the researcher to an open dialogue. The defense of the preparation, it's also one of the important aspects of writing your research paper. And how should we defend? It means that we have to follow all the guidelines given to a researcher. We spoke about the methods of writing research paper, and we also spoke about the stages of writing the research paper, and all the things should be included into your researching. And while the defending your preparation, while the defending your thesis or the master thesis, that guiding the student toward the successful defense, yes, includes helping them structure their presentation, focus on key contributions, and develop confidence during the questioning. And also we have to practice sessions and constructive critique, significantly improve final performance. And that in order to check the understanding of the master students, we prepared some reflective questions concerning the content of the lecture. The first reflective question is: what qualities define an effective research supervisor? Which of them do you already possess? How can a supervisor maintain balance between control and student autonomy? What challenges do master students most frequently face, and how should supervisors address them? how do ethics and academic integrity influence the quality of research? And the next is what strategies can improve communication between the supervisor and the student? Which aspects of thesis planning require the most careful attention? And what steps should be taken to prepare a student for a confident and well-structured defense? Of course, at the end of the lecture, we are given the list of used literature. These are the main literature that we have to use. I think that we have practiced to use them and to enlarge your knowledge concerning the writing and supporting your thesis.